कर्नाटक के उप मुख्यमंत्री डीके शिव कुमार शनिवार रात उज्जैन पहुंचे। वे सबसे पहले काल भैरव मंदिर पहुंचे, यहां दर्शन कर आशीर्वाद लिया, जिसके बाद देवास रोड स्थित सर्किट हाउस पहुंचे। यहां कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ताओं ने उनका स्वागत किया। मीडिया से चर्चा में कर्नाटक के उप मुख्यमंत्री डीके शिव कुमार ने बयान देते हुए कहा है कि जिस तरह से मध्य प्रदेश में ऑपरेशन लोटस के माध्यम से आम जनता द्वारा अपना वोट देकर चुनी हुई सरकार को गिराया गया, ठीक उसी तरह से कर्नाटक में भी ऑपरेशन लोटस चलाकर सरकार को गिराया गया था। कर्नाटक के उप मुख्यमंत्री डीके शिव कुमार का बयान, मैं तीसरी चौथी बार उज्जैन आया हूं, मैं अपने कठिन समय में भी उज्जैन आया हूं, उसके बाद में अब आया हूं जब मेरे पास ताकत है और यह ताकत मुझे कर्नाटक ने दी है। कर्नाटक में कांग्रेस की जीत से सभी विपक्षी पार्टी खुश हैं। यह एक संदेश भी है कि दुनिया में कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है, सब संभव है। जनता ने जिस पार्टी को अपना वोट देकर चुना था उसे ऑपरेशन लोटस के माध्यम से गिरा दिया गया था। ठीक इसी तरह से कर्नाटक में भी सरकार को गिरा दिया गया था, लेकिन यह डबल इंजन की सरकार राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर फेल हो चुकी है। आम जनता विकास के लिए परिवर्तन चाहती है। हिंदुत्व, मंदिर और भगवान बीजेपी की पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है। कोई भी राजनीतिक पार्टी उनके धर्म में हस्तक्षेप ना करे। मेरा या किसी और का पोजीशन से समझौता मायने नहीं रखता, आम जनता मायने रखती है। हमने जो उनसे वादे किए हैं उसे पूरा करना मायने रखता है। मध्य प्रदेश की जनता यहाँ की भ्रष्ट सरकार से परेशान हो चुकी है। आम जनता को उनकी इनकम डबल करने के वादे किए गए, लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम भी बढ़ते जा रहे हैं।
But the double engine government has failed at the national level. Here also, lot of big issues are going on. People want a change for development, change for progress, change for prosperity. So we find unity in diversity in this country. Party is looking at, Congress party always looks at every culture, and the entire country has to be united. Rahul ji walked the street of this country on Bharat Jodo to unite India and see that the price rise, unemployment issue is the biggest challenge. I think Kamal Nath and all the leaders here, Mr. Digvijay Singh and all other leaders, former PCC President, former Chief Ministers, all of them are working unitedly, and there will be a success story. They all tell that after Karnataka, they have more hopes. I feel they will be very comfortable as Karnataka. They will get more seats than Karnataka. This is what I am going to predict on this historic day and the historic visit of Mahakaleshwar.
Which is the plan of MP?
See, I don't want to disclose within a few days. We'll have our own political strategy and we'll come out with a lot of action plan. Now the people of Karnataka gave us a mandate. We gave them a lot of promises that will be a good administration with a good governance. So Karnataka also have accepted whatever the people have come, and we have come out with a lot of promises. In Madhya Pradesh also, our leaders are discussing. I don't want to be a part of that announcement. Few days to come, we will deliver a good government in Madhya Pradesh as the people wants.
How many seats is available?
I don't want to tell now. As I said in Karnataka, 136, the same seats have come. Here also day will come. We will tell you what is our number.
Is it your political tour or religious? And what is the message for local or state?
See, Hindutva or temple or God is not the property of any political party. Hindutva is our temples are for everyone. It is not any BJP's personal property. We all believe in every section of the society, every culture of the society, every language of this country, and every religion. Every religion has their own faith. We don't want to interfere with any religion. So as such, we all are here. Everyone, we go to Mahakaleshwara, we go to Kalabhaireshwara. So it is not the BJP's pride. I was told at the development, whatever we had in Mahakaleshwara, I think the idols itself has fell down. That indicates the message is not right.
Why were compromised to Deputy CM, without CM?
See, whether compromise or not, it is not my position or any other's position. It is the position of the people's will is important. What we have promised, we have to deliver. What confidence they restored on me and my party is very much important. Ultimately, we have to go by the decision of the party high command. That is our culture.
Which is the tips of MP public members and
No, I'm telling you, the public are very much frustrated that this is the most corrupt government as in Karnataka, and Delhi also could not do them, help them to bring a good administration. So the people are frustrated. I think they will not get even the numbers what Karnataka got. That is my feeling.
same formula Karnataka and
Definitely, we all are a one party. We are a national party. We believe in all this social structure, and we believe every section should be united, especially the farmer, the youth, and women. They doesn't have any castes.